Tantrums are a full-time job no one signed up for. But here's what works for me. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sana Shamsi and I am a mother from last 4 years. Tantrums is a part of growing itself. So when your children are throwing tantrums, you should stay calm. First of all, it will help them to get calm easier and faster. Then you should acknowledge their feelings. Like you can say something like, I know you are upset because you wanted that toy, and give them space. Some children might need a hug, but some might need a little space. And last but not the least, you need support from your partner, your wife or your husband for this smooth parenting journey of yours. Keep enjoying your life and adoring every moment of your little kid. Bye bye. Follow for more. We'll meet in next video.